Hey everyone, good evening. Welcome to your very own favorite channel. So, today we have our final Menti quiz, and I hope that you all have come well prepared for it. Yes, we have practiced a lot. Yes, so the students who are new here, the students who regularly come for the class, they know the drill. Quickly join the quiz using this code which is there on the screen 73261047. Students who are new here, it's very simple. Just go to menti.com using this code, join the quiz. Meanwhile, yes, you're joining. Just let me know once you have joined in the chat. Yes, hi Mamta. Monalisha is here. Vaibhav Sharma. Yes. Is that your name, CBSE? 9th plus 10th NTSC. Yes. Yes, ma'am will remember it. Don't worry. Ma'am has got a good memory. Hello, Pranjal, Joey, Swapnil, Shivansh. Yes, definitely. Devadeep. Don't worry. On Euclid geometry, we will be covering all the chapters that you have in your syllabus. Nikita has joined. Good evening, amazing education world. Hi, trendy cuisine. What's your actual name? Sumit, Devansh, hobbies and crafts, Kaushal, Simran. Quickly, everyone, join the quiz and write in the, just let me know in the chat section that you have joined. Hello, Devansh. Wow, Swapnil, it's your birthday today. Great. Wish you a very happy birthday, and I wish that you have a great year ahead. Good evening, Punya. Yes, everyone. Anindita, I can see a lot. Arpan, all right. I can see a lot many new people over here today. Hi, Kushagra. Easy questions in polynomials, yeah? Hi, Renuka. Quickly, everyone, join the quiz using this code and just let me know in the chat section that you have joined. Yes, hello, Renuka. And once you join the quiz, you know that it will take you to a page wherein you have to fill the details like your name, your grade, your telephone number, your area pin code. And one important thing here, that the details that you're filling in, please make sure that these are correct. These are the same that you have been filling for the past few days, because I do not want you to miss on the goodies. Yes, hi Game King. Nazima, Swapnil, Bhuvi. Okay, Bhuvi. Yes, everyone. Joined. Shakti has joined. Yes, Aryan, simple. Yes, you are new here, it's okay. Just go to menti.com. To join the quiz, it will ask you to put a code. You have to fill this code, 73261047. Quickly, everyone. Anjali, Joey, fill the details. Great. Anjali, Devansh, Radhika. Quickly, Radhika, I think you have now joined. Join the quiz. Tomorrow is your exam. Amen. All the very best. I hope you are prepared for it. How many chapters are coming? Yes, whatever we have covered till now, questions are going to be from those chapters. Yes, everyone. Lot many people are saying they have failed. Asif, it's a final quiz. So whatever is covered till now, we will be covering all the chapters. See, you have to be really quick here, because once I move to the next slide, you will not be able to fill in the details. And I do not want you to miss on the goodies part. So quickly, everyone, fill the details and mention in the chat that you have filled. I'm going to wait for another 20-25 seconds on this slide so that everybody can have ample time to fill the details. Hi, Sanvi. Yes, Mohammad Zuhaib, quickly. Whatever covered till now, Zuhaib, all that will be in this. 19.6 on 20 in math periodic test. Wow, that's great, Pranjal. That's a good score. Yes, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you feeling bad, Prince? All the very best. I'm sure that you would do well. Hi, Archit. Quickly join the quiz. Hello, Soham. Lot many people are now joining. I can see a lot many new names also. Yes, Sushmita. Quickly, everyone. Share the link of the video, because we haven't started with the quiz yet. Share the link of the video with your friends. I know that these days we have a lot of friends groups, school groups. Yes, quickly share in that so others can also join in. This will be more fun then, right? That you will have your friends also here. Wow, coordinate geometry and all, so many chapters. Full on calculus. That's great, Soham. Wow. Facty boy, tomorrow is the math test. So many people have their math test tomorrow. All the very best. I'm sure that you all would do well. Rukaiya. All right, all right. 3940 are in the math periodic test. That's great. I can see that many people. So many people are joining this, and they've got really good scores. You are No, Vedant, it's not like that. Don't be demotivated. Do not lose hope. So never ever give up, okay? It happens. It happens with us also. Right? Nobody is perfect. So keep trying for it. And whatever doubts, whatever problems that you're facing, you can always post that in the chat section and we will be there. You know that. We will be there to help you. Wow, Ruby Light Glow. 20 on 20. That's great. I would like to know what your actual name is. 9th is not hard. Who told you Trendy Cuisine 9th is hard? I'm going to start in another 10 seconds. I hope everybody has joined the quiz. Everybody has filled in the details. Yes, everyone? Yes, Atharv. Facty Boy. Yes, ready? Vikram Singh. Math is not hard. Don't say that. Sneha, good evening. Yes. Ready? Quickly give me thumbs up, smileys in the chat so that I know that I can move ahead. Everybody has joined. Can we ask a doubt session class 9th live? You want a doubt solving session for class 9th? Yeah, is that so? Don't worry. See, whatever doubts you have, like obviously you would be practicing questions. I know that, and you do come across the challenging one also. You do come across questions wherein you face difficulties. You can always post your doubts in the comment section, right? Not here, because here the chat will be lost. In the comment section after the session. So from there, we can pick up the questions, and definitely we will come up with a live doubt solving session for 9th grade as well. Yes? For me, math is easy. I tell you something. See, it's not that I'm your teacher. That's why I'm saying this. When I was at your age, I also used to like math. But yes, I also used to struggle with it. I also had to put in a lot of effort. I also had to do a lot of hard work. I also had to practice a lot. So this is a subject that you will learn with practice only. The more you practice it, I tell you, the easier it's going to be to achieve your goals, to score good marks. Curiosity for the good. Yes, yes, yes. I am also excited. All right, so let's get started. So people who are new here, let me tell you, we have a Telegram community and the link for that is in the description. Please join it if you haven't yet, because so many interesting things we share over there, like revision questions, homework questions, interesting quizzes, and of course, the sessions that we are doing here, their session PDFs are shared over the Telegram channel. And that's very useful, isn't it? Session updates as well. So quickly join it if you haven't yet. हम लोगों को हमेशा लगता है टीचर हो तो इजी लगता है, पर भूल जाते हैं कि वो भी हमारे. Absolutely, yes. See, we have also experienced the same things that you are doing right now. Yes, math and physics, they require more practice. Completely agree. All right. Let's get started with the quiz. I can see students are very excited. I can see your excitement in the chat here. Are we all ready? Yes? Okay. So let's get started. In all 10 questions we have in the quiz, and I'm assuming that seems like you all are well prepared for it, as you said. So I'm sure that you all should be giving the right answers. So let's get started. Here we have our first question. Yes, Irana. One of the factors of 25x square minus 1 plus 1 plus 5x whole square is? Factors we have to find out. Do you want me to give a hint or you will be able to do it? How do you find this question? Easy, difficult? 11th की trigo में problem हो रहा है. Well, 11th trigo, I tell you, Sanvi, it's interesting. Initially, yes, you will face problems because you will feel that, oh my God, so many formulas are there, so many formulas. But it's not like that. Once you practice, but consistent practice. Practice from NCERT, practice from different reference books also. The more you practice it, the better it is going to be. Trust me, you would start loving trigo. Initially, everybody feels that. I also used to feel that, oh my God, there is a lot in trigo. It's too difficult. Yes, interesting, yeah, but so many formulas. That's what I told you, right? Yes, TBS cast, you can join. We're at the very first question. Quickly join the quiz because you come for the classes regularly, so you know the drill. Yes, using this code, join it. Without teacher Adi Sharma is like going to another war. Is it so? Don't worry. Whatever doubts you face, if you're practicing those books, that's really good. You can always come up with your doubts. All right. So here we can see that answer is 10x. And you can see that how many students are confused here. You won't find such kind of questions in the NCERT. But yes, if you're practicing NCERT exemplar and other books, these kind of questions are there. And we come across in the paper also such kind of questions. So let's take a look. How would you find the factors? 25x square minus 1. Let's write it as it is. 1 plus 5x whole square. Let's open it up. It's going to be Basically, we're using an identity a plus b whole square. So 1 plus 25x square plus 10x. Now minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled out. 25x square, you can add them up. That's going to be 50x square plus 10x. Let's take 10x common. We have 5x plus 1. So the factors, one of the factors is going to be 10x. Time was less. Yes, Irana, definitely I'll show the leaderboard. Otherwise, you all will be after me. This question, Nindita, came in your exam also. See, that's what I told you. These questions are good from examination point of view as well. Time was less. I would not say time was less. See, it's just that we need to practice such questions, right? We do not have a very good, we know the concepts, but without practice, we don't know how to approach them, right? How to start with it. Yes, Navreet? Yeah, that's the reason you're finding it hard. You will find it hard if you have only practiced from NCERT. I'll completely agree with you. It's okay, Purna. It's fine. Harshit, 10 questions in all. All right, let's move ahead to the next question, question number 2. Please, when I'm saying this thing again and again that from NCERT you won't find it, please, it's an advice that you practice from other books also. You practice exemplar as well. It's important. The polynomial px is equals to 4x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5x plus t. This is the polynomial. When it is divided with x plus 1, it gives 3 as a remainder. Find the value of t. It is giving 3 as a remainder. What are we using here? I hope you have got the hint. Yeah. Good evening, Chirantan. I think you have now joined. It's okay. Quickly join the quiz using this code. You know the drill, right? Yes, Atharv. Yes, TPS cast. I'm waiting. Yes. 16 seconds. Wow, Mukesh. This came in the BYJU'S test also. Yes, everyone, quickly. Rukaiya, accidentally click the option. Sanvi, the basic concepts remain the same, right? These are the basics. These are your fundamentals. If those are strong, you will not face any difficulty there. Yes. Yes, Punya, any reference book you can use. Yes, minus 5 is the answer. And I can see many people are confused here. Some are saying minus 4. 1, 3. See, when you are saying that it is divided with x plus 1, you equate x plus 1 to the 0, you get minus 1. We are using remainder theorem over here. Hint was already there in the question. Yes, Abhinav, misclicked. Don't worry. So, we know that if I put minus 1 in the question in place of x, the remainder is going to be 3. That's what it means. Let's put it there and equate it to 3. You get t equal to minus 5. Don't tell me that you haven't, see, these kind of questions are there in NCERT also. How could you go wrong here? Yes, what happened? Everybody, first of all, yes, please pay attention. What happened, Nikita, Niranjan? Okay, please pay attention here. First thing, please understand, the basic concepts are same that you have in your NCERT. NCERT is good for understanding, right? This was there as well. It's a basic concept of remainder theorem. Yes, see, if you have got something wrong, it's okay. It's okay to make mistakes here, but what we need to learn is that we jot down those topics. We jot down those questions and we practice them later on. And still, if you have any doubt, please always post that in the chat section. We will be more than happy to help you. Oh, you subtract 1, so you got minus 4. Chirantan, I tell you one thing. Nothing is difficult, whether it's 90%, whether it's 100%. You need to believe in yourself first of all. Stop thinking that is 90% doable, is 95% achievable. Oh, 100% तो मेरे से होगा ही नहीं, सोचना ही नहीं है. Don't think like that, right? Mr. Beast, it's not like that. It's just that in your books, it's good. It's good for understanding. It's good for practice, but we need more practice. Practice as much as you can. Yes. All right. Yes, IIT aspirant, now you are here. I'm doing good. Thank you. All right. I hope you all have understood remainder theorem. Let's move ahead to the next one. Find the value for 998 whole cube. Arey, what happened? Nikita, Niranjan, and others. It's okay. See, it's just in healthy competition, right? You want to be H.C. Verma. Wow. So, start from now on. Without wasting a single day. Yes, everyone, Quickly. It's okay. See, it's okay. Even if it is a question from NCRT or if you gave the wrong answer, you said misclick, it's fine. Yes? We don't have to fight over small things. Yes, only 6 months left. Chirantan, right? Yeah, good Sanvi. If you feel that still you need practice, that's a good thing. Refresh it again, Purna. Yes, so this is the answer you can see over here. Many students have given the right answer. That's great. Simply we can not straight away, we will not just find out the cube. We will use the identity 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So a minus b whole cube, we all know that. Simply apply the identity, substitute a with 1000 and b over here with 3. You will get this final number 9940119992. Simple one. Yes. 6 months board strategy, don't worry. Any suggestions that you have that you want us to do, you want us to come up with some sessions, you can always post that in the comment section after the session, because here if you're writing it, it will be lost. And obviously, I might also forget it later on, but it's better if you can post there. So, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Athar is the fastest and he has given the maximum right answers. He's got a score of 2,688 points. Wow, that's amazing, Athar. Then Archit, Manjeet, Prachi, Brins, Anupriya, Nikita, Venture, Prince and Arpan. Wow, that's amazing. Smart kids use formula, but legends use calculator. One thing I would like to say here, please do not use calculators. I think for this I've made a video also, right? When I actually explained you, because it actually, I tell you, it actually decreases your, your mental skills and all. It gradually reduces. So best way to enhance is your mental skills, your mental ability. It's better that you solve on your own. Do not use calculator. You will not have calculator with you when you're going for an exam, right? Let's quickly take a look at question number 4 now. Yes. Find the value of the given expression below. Root 72 plus root 108 upon root 18 plus root 27. See, it's not just about this quiz, right? Here, if you use a calculator, you might be giving the right answer very quickly, but that's not the point, right? We have come here to learn, to check our strengths and weaknesses, right? Right, yes. Sanvi is from the previous year 10th batch and she has also scored really good marks, really good percentage. I'm sure that she's also telling you with her experience that it's of no use. Please avoid using that if you're doing it. Trust me when you say that, ma'am, I knew the question. Still, I was short of time. I was running out of time. I could not complete it. The only reason for this is that you're not practicing. You're not practicing time management. That also needs to be practiced. You know that. Yes. So whenever you are sitting at home, you're practicing questions, I will always suggest you, please keep a stopwatch with you and you need to time yourself when you're doing it. It's good for practice TBS cast. More or less the topics are same. Thank you, Pranjal. Oh my God. As you can see over here, correct answer is 2. And generally, very less students have given the right answer. Why is it so? What happened this time? Root 72. You can split this up as 36 times 2. Root 108 as 36 times 3. Similarly, 18 as 9 times 2 and root 27 as 9 times 3. So this could be written as 6 root 2 plus 6 root 3 upon 3 root 2 by plus 3 root 3. TBS cast. Now you understood that it's actually helpful, right? It's all about practice, you see. So here we can take common root 2 plus root 3 and they will get cancelled out. 3 and 6 will get cancelled out. We have to. Wasn't it an interesting question? And 9th graders, I tell you, you will find such kind of questions in the exemplar and reference books also. You can try out such kind of questions and are generally asked in the paper also. Right? No, Navneet, not agree with you. This was not time consuming. Very interesting. And here you see, this question could be solved in lesser time as well. All this calculation that you can see here over here, if you are a person who doesn't use calculator while solving, you can do it in just few seconds. Yes. Easy one, interesting question and very good question from exam point of view also. I would request all of you to take a screenshot of this question and try out such questions after the session also. Yes. Right, Sanvi. Safwan, not lengthy. It wasn't lengthy, trust me. Start practicing such kind of questions. You will actually enjoy solving them. All right, let's move ahead to next question. Question number 5. That's good, Atharv. I will do that, Chirantan. So we can see that 1296 to the power minus 2, and it's got a power in the root over here 4. Yes, simplify this question. This also you would find in different books. Such kind of questions are asked in when I talk about grade 9th math paper. Yes. So what you can do is practice such questions, and trust me, when do you know that you actually, you have actually mastered math? Only when you see a question and you know that, okay, this is the approach, this is the right approach, this is where I should start with. Many times we see a question and we don't know how to approach it. This is also one of the challenges that we face in math. Yeah, completely agree with you. Right, Sanvi? Kargil Day, why? Yeah. Yeah, power is in minus, you can see over here. Yes, everyone, quickly. Time is up. See, 1 by 36 is the right answer. Still, so many students are confused here. Yeah, Navneet? Yes. It was a tricky one, but an interesting question. See, 1296 to the power minus 2 as it is. What does this mean? In the root, we have written 4. This means 1 by 4. Had 5 been there, it could have been 1 by 5. Had 10 been there, it would have been 1 by 10. That's how we write it. Now we know that 1296 is nothing but that's 36 square. I'll write 36 square. Rest everything same. Powers will be multiplied. So 36 to the power minus 4. After that, there's a power 1 by 4. That will get cancelled out. We will add 36 to the power minus 1. Something raised to power minus 1. So you take the reciprocal. You get the answer. That's 1 by 36. Yes. Wow, Chitra. All the very best. Trigonometry is hard compared to other subjects. Other chapters, no, it's not hard. But yes, it requires a lot of practice in the beginning. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Students, do not use calculators, please. Trust me, when your exams would come, when you would be sitting in the examination hall, you would regret this if you're using calculator right now. Even if it is time taking, it's okay if you're not able to give the answer in this particular given time. At least you will be able to gauge yourself that, yes, my speed is slow, I need to work on it. But if you use a calculator, you will give the right answer and you would feel that, oh wow, maine sahi answer de diya. You will not realize the need of practicing, right? All right. Let's move ahead to the next question, question number 6. Don't worry, Parvati, we will very soon come up with the session on triangles also. Express 0.7777 so on in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Don't tell me, I'm sure that everybody knows the answer for this question because these kind of questions are there in your NCERT also. And I'm assuming that everybody has solved NCERT. You want us to do more mentees, more hard questions. Yes, Angelina? Don't worry. We'll come up with more such sessions. How many of you actually shared the link of the video with your school friends and with your other friends groups? Yes, Blank Pig, don't worry. We will come up with that. If you haven't done that, please do share it quickly, everyone. In your school, arithmetic progression is going. Don't worry, we will very soon start with a new chapter. You have shared. Yes, Devansh, Navneet, Chirantan, Swapnil, Vipul. For this unit test league, yes, Karan. For this unit test league, it is the Mr. Beast. Yes, Sneha. Easy, but takes time to solve. That's what I told you. Even if we know how to solve it, we do stuck at this thing that time was less, right? So if you do not want this thing to happen in your final exams, please stop using calculators from now on. Yes, use a stopwatch. Time yourself for every question. 7 by 9 is the right answer. Many students have given the right answer this time. That's nice. Let's take a look at the solution. Let's say z is equal to 0.77777. It's a non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion, right? So 7 is the only number that is repeating again and again. That's why I'll multiply by 10 on both the sides. We have 10z equal to 7.777. Let's subtract these two equations. 10z minus z equal to 7. So we have 9z equal to 7. 7 is z. Z is 7 by 9. Oh, is it so, Mr. Beast? This question was like just a piece of cake. Yes. Thank you, Parvati. Halwa sawal, yeah? Sanvi can say that. Sanvi is a senior now. Don't worry, Chitra. Very soon we are starting with new chapters. Don't worry about that. All right, all right. Let's move ahead. Quickly, let's take a look at the leaderboard now. Let's see who all are there now. Same base, Darsh. Same base. We will multiply by 10 on both the sides. You will have 10z equals to 9.9999. Subtract the equation. Same way we will solve it. So here Atharv is the fastest. Wow, Atharv. With the points of 5,392. Then Arpan, Archit, Prince, Devansh, Manjeet, Prachi, Prince, Navneet and Dash. Wow, amazing. Whomsoever is there on the leaderboard. People whose names are not even there. It's okay. Right? Thank you, Trendy Cuisine. Let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 10. I'm sorry, question number 7. Factorize x cube plus x square minus 17x plus 15. Not a difficult question, I would say. Reason being, this is also if you have practiced NCERT nicely, so you will be able to give the right answer. Yes. It's okay, Himani. You are a regular student. You know how to join the quiz. It's okay. You have missed already 6 questions. 39 to 19th place, Kaushal. That's great. Yes, Frida Manoj, I think you have now joined. You can join the quiz. Abhinav, it's okay. Yes, everyone, quickly. I can see that few students have answered this. Time consuming. I think this is the major challenge. In the maths, basically 2 challenges are there. One is basically the time, obviously. Second thing is basically, obviously, we don't know how to approach a question. And calculations. That's the most important thing. Yes, yes, lengthy one. I know that. Option C is the right answer. And still you can see here, so many students were confused. Or maybe they made some silly mistake. Let's see that. We have the polynomial, right? Now what we can do is x square could be written as minus x square plus 2x square, and 17x could be written as minus 17x could be written as minus 2x minus 15x. We're taking common from the consecutive terms. We get x minus 1 common, then x square plus 2x minus 15. Factorize this, middle term splitting. You get x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 5. Tell me one thing, how many of you use this approach? Because this question could have been solved in another way also, right? You assume this as, let's suppose, px, and you take the factors of 15. That's going to be plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5. You solve with another method. Yes, because there is one more method in the NCERT. How many of you use the another method? Darsh, Nikita, Bipul Pandit has solved with another one. Anant, yes, factors of 15. Shivansh, another one. Darsh, another one. Parampal, another one. Yes, Harry Potter, right. After that, you will have to apply the long division one. Yes. This method, Archit. Another one. Asif. Using another IIT aspirant. Because the another method is there in the NCERT, I think, for as a student, because obviously we as teachers, we can think of different methods. As a student, I think the other one would have been much simpler for you. So you can use any of the methods, whichever you feel convenient for you. Yes, long division, right, Naveen? And then splitting the middle term. Correct, Anant? Right. So other method you could also use. All right, let's move ahead to the next question, question number 8. All right, Ukaya. Yes. Choose the correct one. Which of the following option is correct for the given equation, sorry. 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 upon 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. What is that going to be? I know it is calculative, but I think you all know the concept. Rationalization, right? Roots are in the denominator. Yes. Yes, Nikita, we're on the next question. Please be careful while solving this. This involves a lot of calculation. Many steps are involved. Suraj, I don't know. How come you answered so quickly? Because this is a calculative one. Yes, Suraj, Nikita. Atharv is done. 20 seconds. Wow, Atharv. Yes, everyone, quickly. You still have got 12 seconds. These kind of questions, the rationalization ones, I'm sure that the worksheets that your school teachers also share with you, you do come across such kind of questions. They are very good from examination point of view. Yes. Somalia, wow. Your brother is helping you. The same question you solved in your school, right? No tukka, please. No tukka. Option A is the right answer. See, tukkas not always work. And in the paper, obviously, the tukka thing is not going to work because paper is going to be subjective. We have to write each and everything. Teacher is going to see the steps. And why do we need to do tukka, right? It's okay if we make mistakes here, right? So here, once you rationalize this, so what will you get? You will, first one would be multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Similarly, in the denominator. Second one would be multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2, similarly in the denominator. You just simplify this, right? And you get 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 19. Any doubts in this question? Dilip, it's just guessing without even solving. You're guessing it. You need more time for these kind of questions. Yes, Prince, agree. Yes, Navneet. That's what I said. These are calculative ones. Yes. It's okay, it's okay. If you could not solve this question in this much span of time, but the main point is that you knew the concept. Yes. Okay, all these questions were there. Yes, Nikita? All right, all right. Simple one. Yes, Factory Boy, because we are done with 3 chapters, right? Same question in the question bank. That's great. All right, let's move ahead to the next one. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle with length 6 cm, breadth 3 cm. O is the midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of C and D. Wow, Yasharth. Yasharth is basically our student from the previous 10th batch, and he has got 99 in math board exam. Wow, that's awesome, Yasharth, and thank you so much for such kind words. That's amazing. And I'm sure that the students, I mean the current 10th batch, will also make us proud, just like you all did. Yes, what do you think? And for 9th graders also. See, the practice, this journey starts from here, from 9th only. Because your fundamentals have to be strong. And you will only be able to score good once you start from now on without even wasting a single day. I'm not saying that you start practicing for 3, 4 hours of studying at a stretch, but just consistent practice, whether it is for 1 hour only. Yes. Easy one, done. Great. All right. That's great, Sanvi. So here we can see that so many students answered this question correctly. Let's see whomsoever has given the wrong answer here. They can check their errors. So simple. AB and CD it is given. It says that it's a rectangle, AB and CD. They both are equal of 6 cm and AD and BC are 3 cm. So if you mark this on the graph sheet, you can clearly see that C would be 3, 3 because if you see X and Y axis, and D would be minus 3, 3. Yes, completely agree. Practice makes man perfect. It's okay, Shivansh. So now it's good that you are realizing it. You are admitting it that you have got only 3 questions correct, right? That you feel this thing. Lot many times people do not admit their mistakes. The best way to learn from mistakes is first thing that we admit it. So what will you do next? After the class, try out, practice more. Wow, that's great, Yasharth. All the very best for your future endeavors and congratulations, you have scored really good. You have really made us proud. All right, all right. All right, let's move ahead to the last question. Harshit, it's the last question. Question number 10. All right, so in a square ABCD, the coordinates of A, B, and C are given as A 3, 2, B minus 2, 2, and C minus 2, minus 3. Find the area of square ABCD. A simple one, right? It's not difficult. Yes, Yasharth, you can give tips. You can share some advice with your juniors also. I'm sure that's going to help them. Because every time we giving them advices, we giving them suggestions, I think it will work more for them if it is coming from the seniors. Because students also feel that teachers hain to ye apna time bhul chuke hain. It's not like that. Surender, I just saw your comment. Please don't feel bad. Sometimes it becomes difficult for me also to read the comment of each one of you. The chat moves so fast. Yes, Yasharth, any advice for your juniors? I'm sure that it will be helpful for them. Especially for maths because the maths session is going on. Yes, Shivansh. 4 seconds, that's good. That too correctly, you're sure of your answer? Yes, everyone. 25 square units. Okay. So a square is formed here. Yes, who was saying D nahi diya? See, a square is formed. So obviously the length of all the sides are going to be same. We have A, B, C. So definitely to make a square, the length would be same. So D would be 3, minus 3. Right? That was the challenge here. Now the area of square, if you see all of these sides, there are 3 plus 2. If you see the axis, that's going to be 5 units. Yes? So the area of the square is going to be 5 square. That's 25 square units. Yes, Yasharth. NCRT solving each and every question 2-3 times. So basically, it's all about practice that Yasharth is telling you. Practice as much as you can. This Shanvi is also from the previous year's batch. She has also got really good marks. Shanvi, would you like to share something? No tukkas. No tukkas. Yes, seniors will also agree with it. Tukka nahi work karega. It's a subjective paper. Come on. Here for the Menti, see, this is for practice. Right? I know that you want to see your name on the leaderboard. Everybody, you all want this. But yes, Pranjal has also understood. Yes, the importance of practice. All right, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Atharv, amazing. So you were able to basically maintain your position, 8,159 points. That's awesome. That's great. All right. So that was the last. That's it from my end. And something that we always say, we have got you covered. Yes? So don't worry. Whatever sessions that you want us to do, if you have any suggestions, any feedback, anything, you can always let us know in the comment section, but after the session, right? So that we can also, we'll be able to see your comments then. Here though, it will be lost somewhere. Yes? That's great, Archit. That's nice. After this, Surinder, we have class 10th Menti. All right. So next upcoming session, let me just tell you about it. Can you solve these 10 NTSC previous year questions part 1? So basically 2 sessions we are going to come up with. Part 1, we will have on Thursday, 28th July, 5 p.m. 10 NTSC previous year questions. Many of you actually asked us to come with the NTSC questions. Yes? So you see, you asked for it and we are very soon coming up with this. Sanvi is also saying that it's all about practice. Avoid calculators, practice NCRT, practice as much as you can. Thank you, Gaurav. All right. So, and link for the Telegram channel, it's there in the description. Please join it if you haven't yet. Yes, everyone. All right, and you see that this is Trisha Biswal. She is basically a BYJU'S student and she has basically got 99.8% marks in her 10th board. And 21 students have got above 99% marks. 768 students got 95.9, between 95 to 99%. All these are BYJU'ites. 99% marks, and 1400 students got between 90 to 95%. 2000 plus students have got above 90%. See, and the counting is still going on, right? These are not the just final numbers. It's still going on, and you can see that so many students have managed to got this. I don't know who was asking me this question that, ma'am, will I be able to get 90%? Need to believe in yourself. Trust me, like they did it, you will also be able to do it, right? I'm sure that you all will make us proud. Thank you, Yasharth. Congratulations. Yes, everyone. So you see, this is mehnat ka result. We have to put in effort, right? We don't have to give up so easily. Yes, right, Disha. They need to believe in themselves, right? So don't get demotivated so easily. Correct. Get up and say that I can do it. We need to have a growth mindset. Yes, Devadi's Dilip. Right now, I can see that you are again and again asking for Euclid geometry, but it will be best if you can write these comments in the comment section after this session gets over, right? All right, great. So start working from now on, 9th graders. Yes, consistent math practice. And quickly like the video, share it in your school groups with your friends also, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Yes. All right. So I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.